Does your home get dusty way faster than it should? Like you clean, and 2 days later the dust is back. There's a reason for that. Actually, 3 big reasons. Today I'm breaking down why your home gets dusty so fast. And it all comes down to HVAC cycles, fabric shedding, and static electricity. Let's start with the biggest culprit, your HVAC system. Your heating and cooling system doesn't just move air, it moves dust. Every time your AC or heater kicks on, it pulls air through the return vents, pushes it through the ducts, and blows it back into your rooms. If your filter is dirty, or the wrong type, or your system runs constantly, you're basically running a dust circulation machine. And here's the part most people don't know. If your filter is too cheap or too old, it doesn't trap the fine particles. It just lets them pass right through. So the dust that should get caught ends up back in your home. Next up, fabric shedding. Most of the dust in your home doesn't come from outside. It comes from inside. Your clothes, your bedding, your towels, your couch, your carpet, they're all constantly shedding tiny fibers. Every time you sit on the couch, walk across the carpet, or roll around in bed, you're releasing microscopic fibers into the air. Those fibers settle on surfaces and become the dust you see. And if you have pets, double it. Pet dander plus fabric fibers equals dust factory. And finally, static electricity. Static makes dust stick to surfaces like a magnet, especially electronics, TVs, blinds, and anything plastic. When the air in your home is dry, especially in winter or when the AC runs a lot, static builds up. That static pulls dust out of the air and glues it to surfaces. That's why your TV gets dusty faster than your walls. Here's how to keep dust from taking over your home. Use a higher quality HVAC filter. Wash bedding weekly. It's one of the biggest dust sources. Vacuum fabric furniture. And keep humidity around 40% to reduce static. So if your home gets dusty fast, it's not your imagination. It's your HVAC cycles, your fabric shedding, and static electricity working together. Fix those and your home stays cleaner longer. If you want more science-based tips that actually make life easier, hit subscribe. I've got plenty more coming.